Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody. I am Lisa, your host for today's video. So spring has officially sprung and I'm loving all the beautiful colors. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a home renovation update that we did in our master bathroom. So let's get started. Loves, I know I need to clean my shower, but this is not about the shower. So I'm going to be pulling this garden tub out and adding a freestanding shower. I just wanted to show y'all the before, and I'll come back and show you the afterwards once they're all done with it. So loves, my bathroom is a mess. Well, of course, it's under construction, but check out how the tiling is coming. So the tub is gonna go here. I have one of those freestanding tubs. It's bigger than I wanted. I wanted something small, but hubby wanted something big. Since he was paying for it, I'm like, get what you want, hubby, get what you want. So the tub is not as small as I wanted it. I wanted something to where I have more space in between the shower and the tub and the wall. I wanted to go smack in the middle, but my husband ordered a 71-inch freestanding tub. It is beautiful, and it's here and it's huge, and so it's gonna go from, I'm not gonna have it on the wall. It's going to be a few inches from the wall, and it's going to stop probably round about here where this blue line is. So I'm just going to be gaining a few inches or whatever, maybe 12 inches. I don't know, but we're going to be comfortable. He wanted a tub that we both can fit in together. So he's trying to be all romantic and stuff, right? I'm trying to save space. He's trying to be romantic. So I actually had them to add this little niche area there for me. I'm gonna add me some lights here. Of course, they're gonna put tile here. So use your decor imagination. It's gonna be some tile here. I'm gonna add some little decorative lights here so it can be nice and romantic. And I think I'm gonna take those shelving down. I'm gonna end up painting these walls white. Yes, so everything is coming along here. So this is what I'm doing in this room, this bathroom for now. Hi everyone. So my tub and tiling is done here in our master bathroom. I am in love with it. I get this question a lot. Why did you use gray? And I get this statement a lot. Oh, there's too much gray. In my eyes, I love using a neutral gray background because guess what? I can add any pop of color in this space that I see fit. And since it's spring, why not add a pop of teal to this space? Not the dark teal. I'm gonna go with the light teal. So let me go ahead and put a few items in this space. I'll come back to give you a detailed overview of what I add to this beautiful master bathroom space. Love. So I am loving the pop of color that I added to this space. I'm going to start over on this end of the room. So this wall art, it's actually from Home Goods. I've had it for several years. The vase set is also from Home Goods. My towels are from Home Goods. I've had them for a couple of years or so. The ginger jar on the stand here is also from Home Goods. The actual, what is that, a starfish or a dragonfish? That is actually from Home Goods as well. Or is this from Burlington? Let me try. Let's see here, because I still have the tag on this. Where is this from? Oh, this is from Ross. It's from Ross, and it was very, very affordable. It was only $9.99. The Beach Body Wash and Spray, of course, is from Bath and Body Works. The candles, I love me some candles. They actually come with a remote, and they are from Amazon. Let's see if I can turn them on. And they have different colors. If you can see all the color features that they have and the different modes that they have here. Of course, I like the blues and the greens because it flows well with this room. Anything that I purchased from Amazon, I will place the link down below. Anything that's linkable, actually, I will place the link down below. So my acrylic bath tray is from Wayfair. I love it. Now it actually came with some rose gold handles here, but I changed them out to the black handles, and it's super, super cute. I love it just because it's acrylic. Now let me tell you, the only thing I do not like about this tray, let me show you, is the brand has their name engraved in the middle of the tray. I don't like that, so I cover that up with my candles, or if I have a towel or something, I will cover it up as well. But I'll link that acrylic bath tray. My tub is from Home Depot. I love it because it's 71 inches long, and my husband can lay out on that side and I can lay out on this side, and we can have a good soaking bath. I love a big tub. Originally I was going to get a smaller one, but my husband insisted on a bigger tub, so that's what we went with. Now my faucet that I have is super cute, so unique. It's actually from Wayfair as well. I said as well. Yeah, it is as well from Wayfair, because that's from Wayfair, and this is also from Wayfair. Love it because it has the spray wand here. You can spray it. Let me show you how this works, because this is all different for me. I'm used to an old school faucet. So look how unique that is. And then if I want to spray this, of course, let me turn the water off first, because I'm holding my camera with, I'm going to put this in the tub. I'm holding my camera with one hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on, and then I control the holder with this. So, ooh, am I making a mess? Yes, I did make a mess. So the sprayer is so unique here. Look how nice that is. I love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. So I have that off, and then I'm just gonna put this in its rightful place. And then I turn, this is actually, you can turn this as well. That's really nice that you can turn this. And then I just turn it off with this handle here. So yes. And I had them to, I didn't tell you, I actually, in the original plan, I didn't have this niche to be put in there. And I decided to ask them to put that little hole in the wall to store bath products. I cut the sprayer on, the water came way over here, which is no problem. So now let's talk about this wall art. I've had it for several years. It actually came from Macy's, but you can get your hands on it from Amazon. I will link that below as well. Another towel that actually, the towel actually came from Home Goods. My bath mats, I think I've already said the bath mats are also from Home Goods. Now this shower was done last year, and I just did a little bit. I did the shower last year, tub this year. I'm also going to get me a new vanity this year. So the shower was done last year. I have these little hooks up here. You can hang towels on those. They came from Amazon. And then I have the little squeaky thing here. It's also from Amazon. The body wash, shampoo, and conditioner bottles are from Amazon. And I showed y'all this little soap dish here. It's actually from Temu. I showed y'all that in my Temu haul, and that is super, super awesome. It keeps your soap from getting all yucky and wet during the, when you're not using it, and the water just slides right on off. So my shower handle actually came, think that came from Lowe's. Now, I will do the rest of the bathroom in another video. I just want to make sure that I showed y'all what I've done, what we've done to our bathroom thus far. I hope that this video inspired someone on you don't always have to have wall art that with color on your wall. You can use neutral backgrounds such as gray, the creams and off-whites and stuff like that, and that way you can throw in a splash of color. And you know I love color. Just imagine this room with yellow. Oh my God, that would be so pretty. Or perhaps some orange tiles, or even, you know, red in here for the holidays. It's going to be beautiful. So I hope that this video inspired you all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.